Alright folks, alright folks, today I'm going to be doing the how-to on how I made my shell holder for removing primer pocket crimps. Now I looked, and Dylan makes a primer pocket swage, and it's about $109, but if you don't want to pay that type of money and you want to just make a shell holder for the method me and my dad have come up with, then this would probably be a good video for you guys. Okay, so for 308 shells up here I used a 1332 drill bit. For 243 I used a 25 by 64. And then for 223 I used a 5/16 drill bit. And then the dimensions of my little shell holder are, the length is 3 inches, 3.60 inches. The width is 0.75 inches. And the height is 1.45 inches. Alright, let's begin. Alright, I've got my piece of wood marked off that I'm going to cut. Now the dimensions of the part can be really any dimension you want, but those were just the dimensions that I used for mine. Alright, so let me get on over here. Okay. Alright. There we go, line that up. Alright. Here and just do this. Alright. There we go. That's it, and I even got another one here in case I wanted to make another one. Okay. I've got where the holes are going to be spaced about 1 inch from each other. I took a pencil and marked about 1 inch from where each hole is. Now it's going to go from a bigger hole for the 308 to a smaller hole for the 223, so you don't really have to worry about them overlapping. But I got them 1 inch apart from each other. And you guys, if you make one of these, especially if you have a mill, we just have a drill press on the table. But if you guys have a mill, you could make these any way you want, and it'd probably be better off with better equipment, but we're just doing this with what we got. Okay, so put it in the chuck here. Okay, get chucked up. Need to move over a little bit more. See, I like to go down on that line with there we go, with the drill bit, just so I know I'm touching. There we go, that would be good, that's close enough. Okay, come down. Alright, not going all the way through. What I'm wanting to do, let me dust it off here and take the part out. Knock that dust out of there. Alright, we'll just set it right here for the time being. What I'm wanting to do is see how deep the hole is, just to get the shoulders of the case in there. Yep, I need to go down some more. See, it's just riding on the neck. I need to get it to where it will go down and just touch the shoulders, so that way it's not too deep and it will just hold the cartridge instead of grab a hold of the cartridge. It'll need to come over a little bit more. Yep, right there. Okay. So, I need to alright. Let's see here. Scoot it off to the right here from the drill bit. I could go down just a touch more. Alright, right there. Okay, let's see. There we go. See, that's what we want. Just to hold the shoulder there. You repeat the same process with the other two cartridges. Alright, I'll demonstrate those next. Alright, 223. There we go. Set it down there. There we go. After you've done it a few times, because I made that part yesterday, the prototype, and then I'm making this one here for the video. After a while you get you can kind of tell by the depth of the other holes how far you need to go down. About my camera. Okay. Set this here. There we go. Got the 223. Sweet. Alright. Alright, on to the next process where I show you what exactly we made these for, and that's for removing the crimp in shells.